Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this is Joy again. Okay, so we are moving forward, onward and upward. So this is year 1993, question 7. Okay, so simplify. Well, so like I said, that this week is just for solving question. Okay, all the questions were posted. So solution will just go straight to the point. Now we are asked to simplify. You have 4 minus half raised to power minus half, then 16 3 over 4 over 4 raised to power half. Okay, so it means if you look at this one very well, I've said it, this is a combination of negative power law, that is negative index law. Then you also have root law. The same thing applies to this now. This one is a combination of what? Root law and power law. This one is also a combination of what? Root law and power law. Okay, so this one is the same thing as saying, I can say, if you look at it very well, this is 4, this is 4, this is 16. So it means that there is something that must combine both of them, a base that must combine both of them. If you cannot see any, leave it as it is. Okay, but ensure you simplify it to the lowest. So like here now, 4, what can I multiply 2 times to give me 4? That is 2. 2 times 2, 4. This is the same thing as saying 2 raised to power 2 all over minus power half. Okay? Now, this one is also the same thing as saying 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. It's also the same thing as saying 2 raised to power 4 all raised to power 3 over 4. Okay? Then all over, the same thing applies for the denominator, 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power half. Okay, so if you look at it very well, this bracket, it means times. Okay, so this bracket here too, it means times. This bracket here means times. So I can as well write this one as, in fact, if you're solving JAM or if you're in a JAM class, you don't need to be doing that. But I need to do this so that it can be self-explanatory. So when you pick it, you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, this 2 raised to power 2 is the same thing as saying 2 raised to power 2 times minus half if I don't want to put the bracket. So this one is same thing as saying 2 raised to power 4 times 3 over 4 if I don't want to put the bracket. So here too, this one is same thing as saying 2 times what? Half. So it means that if you look at it very well, 2 can cancel 2 here, 2 can cancel 2, okay? So 4 can cancel 4. Now 2 can also cancel 2. So what do we have left? It means that what we have left here is what? 2 raised to power minus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 times 2. Okay, so don't forget, I've said something. Anything raised to power minus 1, if I want to remove the minus, what do I need to do? So it means at the end of the day, it means here, this one will now be 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power what? 3 all over 2. Okay, so because I want to remove the minus here, this is minus, I want to remove it. So don't forget that this one is same thing as 1 over 2, okay, times 2 in 3 places, 2 in 3 places, okay, all over 2. Don't forget that 2 raised to power 3 means 2 in 3 places. But because we don't want, because of the law of indices, it helps us to shorten into 2 raised to power 3. So at the end of the day, 2 will cancel, 2 will cancel 2, 1 2 will cancel 2 here. So it will now remain, that's 2 times 2 all over 2. Okay, you have this 2 here, this 2 here, and the division. So 1 2 here will also cancel 1 2. So at the end of the day, the answer is equals to 2. That is the meaning of the simplification of this particular question. It's as simple as that. It's a it's a year question. It's an option question. You see that it's very simple. It's straightforward. If you understand the law of indices, okay. All I just need you to do is just to get your smartphone, get your internet, sit down at your comfort zone, listen to them, and listen to how this thing is being solved. Then from there, you'll be very good. Pick any questions you want to pick. Then, if you don't understand any, you can DM me, you can send a message to me, or you can write in the comment section. We can look at it together, and I will try to guide you. So, if you look at this now, it's very simple. So, the major aim of we doing all this is for us to solve the gap of student having challenges with mathematics. Okay, mathematics is simple, it's straightforward. That's why we are not rushing, we are taking our time. We want a situation whereby in the next 5 years, in the next 6 years, you can pick, you can go to the, you can go to my profile, okay, and pick any topic you want, go through them and solve them, and be very good at that topic, so that when you see them in the future, or perhaps when you see them in your exam, you'll be able to solve them. So continue to like, continue to follow, and continue to share, so that we can reach as many students as possible. Thank you very much. Cheers.